Are you tired of posting on social media every single day? Are you burnt out from trying to keep up all the trends but your digital products still aren't selling? I totally get it. I used to think social media was the only way to sell digital products online, but guess what? I was wrong. In the last few months, I've made thousands of dollars selling my digital products without posting on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. And today I'm going to show you how I did it. This method is so much easier than what most people are doing. And the best part, you don't need thousands of followers to make it work. So if you want to learn a smarter way to sell your digital product, stick around. I promise this will be worth your time. The problem with social media. Let me be honest with you for a second. Social media marketing is exhausting. You have to post every day, you have to follow trends, you have to do those weird dances or create fancy graphics. And even after all that work, your post might only be seen by less than hundreds people. It's like being on a hamster wheel that never stops. The moment you stop posting, your sales stop too. But here's what I learned. There's a much better ways to reach customers. Instead of chasing people on social media, you can make them come to you. How? By creating content that people are actually looking for. Think about it. When you have a problem, what do? You Google it, right? Or maybe you ask ChatGPT, you search for the answer. That's exactly what your customers are doing too. They are searching for solution to their problems. And if you create the right content, they will find you instead of your competitors. This is so-called SEO, which just means making your content easy to find when people search online. Why blogging still works? Now I know what you are thinking. Blogging? Is that old-fashioned? I thought the same things. Blogging feels like something from 2010, right? But here's the truth. Blogs still work amazingly well. In fact, they might work better now because fewer people are doing it. When you write a good blog post, it can bring you customers for months or even years. Unlike social media posts that disappear after a few hours, blog posts keep working for you 24/7. Plus, Google's love blogs. And now, even AI tools like ChatGPT recommend blog posts when people ask questions. So while everyone else is fighting for attentions on social media, you can be quietly building a blog that brings you customers while you sleep. The best part, you don't need to be a great writer to do this. I will show you how to use AI to help you create amazing blog posts in just a few minutes. Finding the right topic. Okay, so how do you know what to write about? This is where most people get stuck. They write about what they think is interesting, not what their customer actually want to read. Here's the secret. You need to write about your customer's problem. Let me show you the easiest way to find this problem. You are going to use ChatGPT research features. It's like having a personal researcher working for you. Here's what you do. First, open ChatGPT and click on the deep research options. Then ask it something like this. What are the biggest problems that your target customer faces when trying to achieve their goals? For example, if you sell website templates, you might ask, what are the biggest problems small business owners face when trying to create a professional website? ChatGPT will spend a few minutes researching this topic and come back with a detailed report. It's incredible. It's like having a market research team for free. This report will give you dozens of blog post ideas. Each problem they mention is a potential blog post topic. For example, maybe the research show that small business owners struggle with choosing the right color for their brands, writing good website copy, making their site mobile friendly, adding payment system. Each of these could be a separate blog post. The beauty of this approach is that you are solving the real problems. When someone search for how to choose color for my business website, your blog post will show up. And at the end of that post, you can mention your website templates as the perfect solutions. Now you need somewhere to put all these blog posts. You need a website. I know this might sound scary if you never built a website before. When I started, I paid someone to build my first website and it didn't even work properly. But things are so much easier now. You can create a professional website in about 10 minutes using AI tools. There are several options out there, but I will show you one that I really like because it's beginners friendly and does most of the work for you. The process is super simple. You choose a domain name, that's your website address. You tell the AI what your business is about. The AI creates your entire website automatically. It will pick colors, write some basic content, and even suggest images. You get a complete website with a blog sections and a store where you can sell your digital digital products. The whole thing costs less than what most people spend on coffee each month. And here's the cool part. Once it's set up, you can use the AI tools to create logo, write products descriptions, and even generate images for your blog posts. I wish I had this when I was starting out. It would have saved me so much time and money. Writing your blog post. Okay, now comes to the fun parts. Actually writing your blog post. But don't worry, you are not going to write them from scratch. You are going to let AI do most of the heavy lifting. First, you need to find the right keywords. They are the words people type in Google when they are searching for solutions. Here's a simple trick. Go to Google and start typing for the main topic. Google will automatically suggest searches. Those are your keywords. For example, if I type templates for, Google might suggest website templates for small business, website templates for restaurant, website templates for photographers. Take a screenshot of these suggestions. These are the exact words people are searching for. Now go to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. I want to act as an SEO expert and create a blog post. My business is describe your business. I help your target customers solve their main problem. Please use these keywords, paste your keywords. Make sure to include link in your product name throughout the post. Then just wait and ChatGPT will create a complete SEO optimized blog post for you. The post will naturally mention your product as the solutions to the problems you are discussing. It's not pushy or salesy. It's helpful content that happens to mention your product. You can create 5 to 10 blog posts like this in just one afternoon. Then schedule them to publish over the next few months. Getting traffic to your blog. Now, creating great blog posts is only half the battle. You also need people to actually read them. Google will start showing your posts in search result, but that takes time. In the meantime, there are other ways to get people to your blog. Pinterest. Pinterest is amazing for this. You can create simple graphics for your blog posts and share them on Pinterest. People love saving helpful content on Pinterest and they will click through to read your full blog post. You can also share your blog posts in Facebook group or online communities where your ideal customer hang out. Just make sure you are actually being helpful, not just spamming your link. The key is to be patient. Unlike social media, this strategy builds momentum over time. Your first month might be slow, but by months 3 or 4, you will start seeing real results. So there you have it, a complete system for selling digital products without social media. Let me recap what we covered. 5 problems your customer have using AI research. Create a simple website using AI tools. Write helpful blog posts that solve those problems with the help of AI. Get people to read your posts through Pinterest and others channels. This approach takes a bit more setup than posting on social media, but is so much more sustainable. You are building something that will keep working for you long term. The best part, your customer will actually thank you for your helpful content instead of scrolling past your post. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest tips about building an online business. And if you try this strategy, I'd love to hear how it goes. Drop a comment below and let me know what topic you are going to write about first. Thanks for watching. Happy creating and happy designing.